Okay, next, we have this what we call cohesiveness. Now, what is cohesiveness? No, so cohesiveness no is as defined here. No, nga one of the primary factors in group performance involves group cohesion. Now, something in cohesion class, simply, no, it talks about how closer you are to each other. Ah, sumingon tag mabda ng gi ko ano gi emphasize na ko ganiha nga of course it is very easy to communicate with the rest of the members of the group if you are much closer to each other. So this is where cohesion or the process of being cohesive takes place. The ultimate rule of groups is to come together as a unit and perform with professionalism. So, and dedication. So, a group can work as a unit, share tasks, and recognize the contribution of its members will met with more success than a group mired in conflict, rule ambiguity, and lack of motivation. So, group cohesion makes it attractive for members to belong, attracts high performers, and provides opportunities for individual recognition within a group setting. So, cohesion may result from internal successes, high social emotional support, or external threats. Okay? So, before anything else, no, before I read everything, mo medyo taas, no? So, I have to, kuan lang, discuss this one in a, kuan lang, a very, kuan lang, no? Concise way. So, kaning cohesiveness, mo as mentioned, no? Perform with professional professionalism and dedication. So of course, very applicable to industrial setting. Why? Because siguro no, if I were to define professionalism by myself, of course, it does not just matter about the educational background, no, or the educational accomplishment of a person. Rather, appeal pod, no, kaning gitawag na to, we can act professionally even though we are not kanabang mingon ta og kanang di, wala ta nakahumag eskwela but we can still act professionally, no? Pwede man ta, no? Na very humane manner or kanabang aw mo lang gitawag no nga kanabang ah, having a fine culture person ba and dedication. So a group can work as a unit. Of course, normally what will come out is kaning gitawag na to no, kaning gitawag na to di og kaning marred in conflict, role ambiguity. It's because there are lack of someone communication. If the particular group of people or if that particular industry or that particular department or unsa pa na siya diha group lang to be specific, if if you really have a very healthy communication, of course it is easy, no, for you and to the rest of the members to understand what is your function, what is your role in that organization. Kaya kung wala mo nagkasinabtanay, like for example, in terms of cohesiveness, you are distant from each other, dili ra maingon kay distant, no? Ah, kanabang ang gilayon lang. But of course, distant in terms of unsa man, kanabang the feeling of belongingness. So if that particular people naman sila uban, no, we cannot deny the fact nga kuan gyud class no walay perfect nga organization naa gyud ang uban no nga sina-sina ano ba no nay uban nga like they have that kind of feeling that they are more superior towards the rest of the members mo nang ako'y pioneer so dapat you have to lay down no yan na no walking tall kayo no so nay mga inana no dili na to malikayan but unsa may pinaka kuan ani unsa may pinaka importante no of course we have to stick with sa man kaning mission vision goals and the core values mao ni purpose sa core values the mission vision goals sa usa ka wala man ta kakita wala joy industry nga exist without the mission vision goals and the core values na gina no tanan we have to stick onto it so siguro dili man tanan no nalay mga inana na mga instances nga mahitabo but mo nang na-distant it's because they themselves oh ningon tag dili physiologically distant from each other but in in terms of that kung ano ka na bang simpatiya, nihit kayo sila kay ngano they themselves think that they are more superior na minana. So sa group cohesion kono makes attractive no for members to belong. Kay ngano if you if they can actually find or if they can actually see that you are united, of course you can attract people. Kay ngos lang nga nindot ni sila da kay kuan kayo kanang kanang oriented kay sila sa usag-usa no. Kuan ka sila sa usag-usa nila mas dali kay sila maka-communicate nya happy kay sila no, jolly kay sila. So inana ah it can actually also boost the feeling of individual to give more no, more than what they can ordinarily do. So makahatag pa sila no. Like for example, na may uban nga tao kas nga like mas maganahan sila mo trabaho og maayo even though ang salary the same ra ang salary mao na no nga sa sinugdanan sa atong klase sa atong discussion. Of course we talk about more on industry. Sa industry even though kaning gitawag na to especially sa katong love and belongingness ni Abraham Maslow, though dili inana kadakog sweldo ang company, dili kana inana kadako ang offer, but they are happy, they are still working in the company. Why? Because they have that feeling of belongingness. Mo gina no. Nya kanang feeling of belongingness, of course everything will follow. Kaning gitawag na to uh, high performance no, mo follow ra gina siya nya. uh, Siningon dire nga ang cohesion may result into internal success nya, social emotional support or uh, of course to unsa man to lessen the external threats. At tinuod ay no, try to imagine na ay lima ka buok nga kanang lima ka buok nga kanang usa no, nya gi-attack sila sa napo buok lion. uh, I can still remember last time when I was in an elementary before, dugay na pila na ka years, naka-read ko ato nga story no nga ang gibuhat nila nay usa ka buok, unom man sila actually, unom sila ka buok, unom sila ka buok nga deer nya gi-attack sila og lion. Ang lion pod na daghan kay lion, mga unom ka buok ang lion. So ang ilang gibuhat, ang usa ni dagan man. Oh, ang unom ka buok deer, pero ang usa ni dagan. So lima na lang sa nabilin. Ang ilang gibuhat nag-circle sila og porma, no? Ah, with that dili sila ma-attack sa lion kay hait man kay ilang sungay. So inana po na no, when you are united, you are more stronger when you are united. Napoy na reflect nako nga sayings no nga we are just a droplet of water, but when combined together we are ocean. Try to make sense about it. So inana no, might be no ang usa ka tawo, if that particular person has a potential, how much more if you are combined with the people also who are with the individuals also who have a potential. So mas mapadako no. Napailaing sayings pa gyud. Ingon si Michael Jordan, talent can win a game, but teamwork can win a championship. O tinuod no? Kay talents, you can win a game. You can pass a particular circumstances. Pero we cannot deny the fact that we are more stronger and more powerful when we are combined with other people. So mo na nga sa organization, you must have that kind of suman dili lang ingon kay feeling no, na kay inana panghunahuna mindsetting nga dili ka mag-iya-iya, you have to suman kuan gyud ka no mo, you have to interact, we have to communicate. So group size can also affect cohesion. A group that is too large may find that members cannot get the recognition they are looking for. Mao ni akong gi-mention a while ago no nga like for example, if you are being group 100 20 mo kabuok unya ang ipasign ninyo reporting, nagi uban na possibility nga especially ang leader ay mamili sa rest of members, those appointed officers coming from the group is kuan ra kanang pinili ra sa leader, bati kayo without the consent of the rest of the members. But if that particular person appointed to the position, no, is na appoint siya diha coming from kanang kana bang in a process of voting, o kana noon murag nindot na. Pero kung sobraan kadako ang grupo, bati po kaayo. Ang giingon rin no, nga they cannot get the recognition they are looking for. Mo tong example ganiya nga gipili niya kanang tawhana nya waday without knowing na naa pa daytoy mas labaw ana na nabilong sa group nga mas maka-perform pa na niya ana nga particular task. So mo na siya problema. So this can lead to the information of subgroups or cliques which further causes members to withdraw or withhold input. Ah, so it is an act of protest because he or she may feel that their achievement is being used to raise the credibility of the whole group. So, or because this is a feeling that members are not pulling their weight. So, as we have seen earlier, this self-interest approach distracts from group performance and cohesion. So, of course, no, uban nga, napay uban class no nga kanang gitawag na tog self-centeredness ba. Usahay kung malab-an na kani imong pagka egoistic o malab-anan dili pod maayo no, because they are thinking no nga gigamit ra ang nilang talent para sa grupo, which is not good. So dapat of course when you are group you have to understand no that you are a system. Mura bag ang atong mga tinai, atong kasing-kasing, atong utok no. Oh, ningon bugod wala jud ningon no nga ang atong brain is a separate from the rest. Mao na siyang gitawag siyang system because they need to work on together because each of them has its purpose, has its particular functions.